A blessed day, everyone. Our fifth Bible verse is from John 14:21. Whoever has my commands and obeys them, he is the one who loves me. He who loves me will be loved by my Father, and I too will love him and show myself to him. In Tagalog po, ang tumatanggap sa aking mga utos at tumutupad nito ay siyang umiibig sa akin. Ang umiibig sa akin ay iibigin ng aking Ama. Iibigin ko rin siya at ako'y lubos na magpapakilala sa kanya. Obedience to Christ is the highest expression of love and faith, transforming lives into a joyful relationship rather than a burden. Let us live a new life by abiding in Christ. God bless us all. Please follow, like, and share to win more souls for Christ. Maraming salamat po.